Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome to my channel. We are getting ready to go for another adventure, swimming adventure. So a lot of preparations going on. Everyone is cooking food at the moment, and time is in the afternoon, like 12 p.m. So a lot of preparations going on here. So all this is ready. So I cannot open. Maybe it still be damaged, destroyed. So a lot of preparations going on, and a lot of people getting ready in there. A lot of kids are here. This is Princess. This is Shirel. This is Ria. This is Gilbert. And Jamie is the one who's leading this one today. So a lot of preparations going on here. Hi.
I'm tired already.
She became she became very red because of the heat. What's this? Chicken?
Chicken fried chicken.
Fried chicken. Okay. A lot of preparations going on here. Looks yummy. What is this one? Juice?
Yes.
Which juice is that?
Juice. Orange juice.
Orange juice. Okay. So all of us here, plus there are more people coming. We are getting ready for our swimming adventure. Alright guys, I'll see you shortly. We are all ready guys. So all the guys are waiting there. All guys here, and then some kids are here. And then the other people are there. So shortly we will be leaving. I think we cannot accommodate all in pickup, so we have to find different way to reach that location. Let's see. Shan, we're going for swimming, okay? Yeah, we're going for swimming. You know what? So all of us here, these guys. No, he has to move the vehicle first.
Ngainig mahunong. Mayroon ra mo kalibwag.
Dili ka.
Dili nga maghunong pa ba?
Sa Cagayan diha ra singuog.
So some guys already got into the pickup. These guys are Unggoys. Unggoy here. So they will go with Maniloloys.
Ibuto.
And then we will ride this tricycle here just to go to the main road, and then after that we have to find another transport to go to the beach. I think it's like around 45 minutes to 1 hour, I guess, the distance from here. So we are waiting for the rest, and then we will start to move. We are riding the tuk-tuk. Woo-woo.
Magsakay sa motor paingon sa Pidila. Tika do may sakyan na bus ba?
Oh, multi-crop.
Libwag na nanay unong nga, uyonong na libwag.
Oh, igna niya libwag, ihatod man mo diyan.
Ah,
Pidila.
Pila kal?
Is raman pila mo kabo?
50. Okay, you have 50 uncle.
Kuya, how much? 50?
60.
50?
60. Ay, unong dai. 60 pesos.
60?
6 people in the...
You give. Oh, you came. So we are here in the Magsaysay bus terminal, and we have to ride the bus now. So there is no jeepney here, it seems, in this area. We have to ride the bus. Kuya, Kuya, salamat kuya.
Oh, sige.
Where, here? Oh, let's go. So we are going to ride the bus in here. Oh, this is very simple bus.
Yeah.
Like a train.
So cold here.
Oh, I love to sleep here. So this is one of the bus we are going to town. How far is it from here to there? Like how many minutes?
No? Like 40 to 50 minutes.
Oh, really? To the beach?
Meters?
Oh,
Meters day?
no. How many minutes? Like
Minutes, 30 minutes to 40 minutes.
not meters, minutes.
Bukol. Tuwing uog.
Okay. So we ride the bus and some of the guys coming by the bike and some of the guys coming by pickup.
Yeah.
So nobody else, only us, huh?
No. Yes.
Sure. Huh?
Hey.
What's your name?
Dave.
Dave. Yes, I remember you. You took us to the farm. And you?
Bulldog. Ivan.
iPad?
Bulldog.
Bulldog? Oh, that is bulldog.
Yeah.
Bulldog or Carabao?
Ivan.
And that is James. And you?
I'm Daniel.
Daniel. And you? Hello. Well?
Gwen.
Goel?
Gwen.
Okay.
Gwen like 10.
And this is Hannah.
Yeah.
Hannah is it's like a Muslim name. Hannah, no?
Nakalay pa.
Alright guys.
No, less. There's no ice cream.
Wala nang ice cream? Bakit wala?
Shake.
Bakit wala? This is a shop.
In the
Oh.
back.
Okay, let's go. When we go, maybe bus will go.
Tama ka. There tayo.
Maybe bus will leave. Okay, bye. So we are going to eat ice cream. Actually, we are looking for ice cream.
Chloe.
She's eating ice cream. Where did you buy?
Magic.
What is magic? Eh?
It's far away.
Really? You are lucky. There's no ice cream here. No ice cream here? Alright guys, so we came by bus and we are now here in the Hingok city. Pronounce it properly. Hingok? Oh, but it's written there as Jingok city. What's that? So I don't know. This is called Jingok city eastbound terminal. But these guys are saying something else. I don't know. Maybe that's how they pronounce. Okay. Now we are transferring. We are transferring to the second bus again. Another bus?
Yeah.
Oh wow. So we have to travel by another bus. So we just transfer to another bus and then we will be moving with the another bus as well. Alright guys, so we are riding another bus here. And it's a little bit drizzling. But anyway, we are going for swimming, so not a problem. Everyone is here. Alright guys, so we stopped here to buy the entrance fee. So there's a ticket that we need to get from here. This is a ticket booth. We just need to get entrance fee. So we went to another place, but that place is going to be closed 5. So this place is like they're going to close by 8 p.m. So the night time is almost 4 p.m. and there's no use of going to a place where they are going to close at 5. So we came here. They're going to close 8 p.m. So we are going to get, and these are the tickets. Price around.
Karon. Ma-confirm na to atong kuan. Maayo din. Miss magdugang pa.
I'm doing YouTube. So guys, this is our second place that we came. This is actually a pool. It's not a beach. So I don't know what is the decision of them. Let's see what is the decision. Whether we should going to swim in this pool or we are moving to another place. I don't know. Let's see. Alright guys, so we came to one of the beach here. We will be going inside shortly, and we just read this bus and then came to this location. We actually went to many locations, but we did not find any suitable place because all the locations like going to be closed earlier, and now time is 5 o'clock and we wanted to stay like longer time here in the beach with the family and having good time. So I believe this place is like going to be open until like late night. We will go and see. Oh, this place is very good. So it's the same setup. I can see a lot of cottages. They call cottage, the houses, and then oh, there's a DJ or something I think going on. You can see at night maybe. There's a DJ here. Is there a DJ here? DJ?
Yes, sir.
What time? No? 7?
Acoustic.
Okay, 7 o'clock. We can dance also. Alright, so I think here some entertainment is going on here. I can see, yeah, there are all the houses around, and there's a washroom, and there's a restaurant, small, and yeah, this is the live band is playing I think here, or DJ, I don't know. And that's the entrance, and then from here again I think this is the place we are in to buy the tickets. Let's go more inside. Wow, this is a nice place. Wow, this is amazing. So wow, this place is really cool. Let's go inside and see the ticket prices and all, and then we will come back. What's up? Until what time are they going to open?
Tomorrow.
Until tomorrow? Closing tomorrow?
24 hours.
Make sure these guys are not sleeping. Yeah. Okay guys, so we finalized this place. So I'm just playing with Sean a little bit. Sean, say hi. Hi. Say hi. Hi. Is that your hi? Alright, good. So the guys are bringing the food in here. So we'll put the setup here to eat first, and then we'll start swimming. Sean, come here. So we are almost 25 adults in here, and then we have kids around 10 to 15 kids, bata. And then we all going to eat, and then we will have to go for swimming. So guys, before swimming we are going to eat. So we got some sausages here, and then pancit, then fried chicken here, and then the white rice. So we are going to eat before we swim, and after that non-stop swimming will be there. Unfortunately, it's almost 5:30, so after some time it will become darker and we won't be able to take any videos. Bro, my food, huh? No, there. My food there. You check, huh? Wow, guys, what a wonderful place in here. So this is how it looks like on the other side. You can see a lot of what do you call that? It's islands on there, and then there are some boats, fishing boats or something. And from here also there are so many islands all around. See, until there I can see a lot of islands, and from there until in that way. So the water doesn't look clean. It's not a very blue or a very clear kind of water, but it's okay. It's okay to swim in this place. And some guys are cleaning in here, so I think they are cleaning time to time this area. We cannot go over there. I think that is a separate part, but we are limited to this from here to until that gate. So this is how the area looks like, and in here there are a lot of people all around enjoying, and yeah, our people are there eating. They were so hungry, so they're eating. As soon as they finish eating, they will start to swim. So that's how the area. So I won't be able to take the videos while swimming as usual. One thing is it's becoming dark, and the other thing is my camera is not waterproof, so I cannot bring to the water. I have to take care of my camera, otherwise I won't be able to do any vlogs in this coming days if I damage my camera. So alright guys, let's enjoy. Hey bro. Oliver, and who's this? What's your name? Imam. Iman. This is Iman and this is Oliver. Elmer, sorry, Elmer. Alright, everyone is eating. Everyone is very quiet, eating only.